Oh, bloody weird looking leaf spring, mate. What's that?
Bit straight, not very bendy. Curls get the girls, you know. It's got a lot of flex.
Alright, this is a little compilation video of the Ranger driving tracks with the coil conversion as intended, just to show you what it is actually capable of. Stick around to the end and we'll give you some info about it, but let's get stuck into it.
Don't land on me. There's nothing here. Just me. Holy shit! Reach for the sky.
Have you had your nervous wee?
I did have a nervous wee.
You could snatch from here with no damage.
Alright. That was just a tub.
Oh. Straight, I reckon.
And then lock that lock off. Keep going straight.
Good baby!
blah blah, you burn me. Caution, warning, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring. Caution, warning, I've been scoring. Cheap deals, warn me, blah blah, you burn me. Caution, warning, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring. Caution, warning. Back in the cut like a scratch, never acting, I never been. Short on my words while you're holding your breath like an asthma attacking him. Why are you testing me? Can't be investing no time in this. Team so focused, we are ballin' the butter rim. I used to pull forward, addicted down my stomach all in a twist. I had to dish the cup, yeah. Now I got those water bottles in. I had some real dark days, not days are looking real positive. Ones who I peel apart ways. I don't need no parts of friends. I guess that's how the game goes. Lifestyle getting real. Lifestyle is a handful. I'm a one, only one dog. That's a fact, that's a case closed. Do roll, then I lay low. Wake up and do it every day. Nah. Nah. Come around like rah. Talking all that blah, blah, blah. I've been scoring. Cheap deals, burn me. Blah, blah, you burn me. Caution, warning. I've been scoring. I've been scoring. I've been scoring. Caution, warning. I've been scoring. Cheap deals, burn me. Blah, blah, you burn me. Caution, warning. I've been scoring. I've been scoring. I've been scoring. Caution, warning. You talk, that talk, but you never do. That's waste. You can fool your fam, you can fool the gram, never fooling me. That's fake. I don't trick.
Coil conversion.
Pulls heaps of dudes. Yeah. They froth so hard, eh? I got blokes sliding into my DMs left, right and centre. It's just like,
Nearly as many tradies as Jamin's in his cruiser.
Yeah.
We'll get to that.
Works stupidly well. You can see it. It's people go, Rangers shit off-road, and then you just go and crawl up absolutely anything with no qualms at all. So that's a pro.
Am I right in saying it's basically exactly the same setup as the nav, except for this lower arm is longer?
5-link setup, but lower, longer arm.
Lower, longer arm.
And different shock location.
Oh, that's why it's got the flex.
Yeah.
Okay. The longer arm is for the rear steer, I believe.
Yeah.
And the shock location is what gives it so much flex.
Yes.
Although Navara is limited by many other things as well.
Tail
Shaft and everything. So that's what makes this kit just the next step again.
They've thought about it.
You could say there's some superior engineering.
See what you did there. Other thing, gonna do a little Instagram giveaway. It's sick, you help out some companies that have given us discounts or got us parts really fast in the past, and I'll get to give stuff from them to you. So look out for that. It'll be easy. Just follow the accounts, get some free stuff.
So yeah, stay tuned for that. Mac's going to run that on his Instagram, and it's not like some half-assed products that you wouldn't really want. This is stuff that you actually would be stoked to get. So
yeah, we got car builders, Harrop, Superior, throttle grenade.
We'll let you know in a video soon. Let me know down in the comments down below what you reckon. If this is sort of modification that's worth it. Next weekend is Matsuri, so we're going to be at Queensland Raceway doing a bit of drifting, so feel free to come say hi there as well. So stay tuned and I'll see you next episode.
I've been scoring, cheap deals, burn me, blah blah, you burn me, caution, warning, I've been scoring, I've been scoring.